Alright, before we start, you must know the notations of Rubik's Cube. If you are a beginner and you have no idea about the notations of the Rubik's Cube, then I highly recommend you to check out my video, The Basic Notations of Rubik's Cube for Beginners. The link is in the description down below. Alright, in order to achieve the pattern, follow the algorithm very carefully. R, L, U twice, R, L prime, U twice, F twice, R twice, D twice, then B twice, then again D twice, B twice, L twice, D twice, and in the end R twice. There we have it, a perfect letter Z. If you like this video, be sure to check out my playlist for more awesome patterns like this.